I can see someone here, a silhouette, but looks like he or she is sitting. It's a shadow, it's a silhouette right here in a dark room, but I can see some kind of a light, but it's kind of dim. So whatever the case may be, I'm seeing someone here sitting, okay, alone. Maybe someone here is nagmumukmok or mas pinipiling mag-isa right now. Let's see. And whoever that is, that person is trying to think and analyze things, what's really going on in his or her life. But I'm picking up that he or she is trying to find the answers for his or her questions here about life or about a specific situation he or she is undergoing or encountering right now. Just take how this resonates, mga babes. Okay? So, wala tayong gender dito. So, someone here could be thinking or realizing something here or looking for answers. Kasi baka may mga tanong. Yeah. This person is so lonely right now. Malungkot. I'm hearing grieve. Someone's grieving here. Someone's weeping. Someone's in pain. And yeah, I heard broken hearted. I hate to say this, but I think it's your energy. But let's see if it's really yours. You can flip the roles, mga babes. Okay? Let's see. Bakit ganon yung nararamdaman mo? Alright. Let's all find out. Oh. Ace. This is timeless. Just take how this resonates into your situation, my love. Bigay muna natin lahat ng energy sa ating table right here before we start reading. Okay. So, hey there, collective! So, yan, no, bago natin simulan ng inyong reading right here, yeah, reminders na hindi po ito for everybody, so just pick up the messages you think are for you, and if you feel connected into this reading, then this reading might be really for you. And syempre po, wala tayong gender dito, at timeless din dito. So nakikita ko rito, collective, this is you, Three of Wands energy, Star, Nine of Wands energy, Seven of Wands, Three of Swords, a lot of pain right here. Okay, this is timeless, so pwedeng tapos na ito for you, pwedeng nangyayari pa lamang ngayon, at pwedeng hindi pa, at isang predictions, isang hinaharap. I can see you're waiting here for healing. I can see you're waiting here, parang, kailan ba matatapos to? Kailan ba ako hindi na masasaktan? Kailan ba matatapos tong pain ko na ito? Nakakapagod lumaban. Yan, this is you tired, pagod ka na, no? Pagod ka na masaktan, pagod ka na maranasan ng lahat ng mga bagay nito. Iba-iba, may iba-iba kayo ng sitwasyon dito, no? Pero nakikita ko na ano man yun. Pagod na ako, pero patuloy pa rin akong lumalaban. Nakikita kita dito, Nine of Swords to the Ten of Swords. You almost give up. Others of you could be thinking here to give up your own life. Okay? But that is just for a few of you guys. You're thinking of ending your life before. Because dito sa hinaharap mo or hinarap mo dito, no, nung bibigat na pagsubok sa buhay mo, Sinukuan mo na, mga babes, no? Hindi lang yung sarili mo, pati yung mga tao around you. You got tired of dealing with everything. This is you. Even with the genuine people around you, you choose to detach. You choose to distant yourself from them. No? Lumayo ka sa kanila, no? Dahil sobra ka ng bigat na bigat dito sa pinapasan mo dito, no? Na heaviness, no, na nasasaktan ka, parang ikaw na tinatanong mo sa sarili mo, bakit ako, ang dami-dami namang tao dito sa mundo, bakit ako yung nakakaranas ng ganitong bagay, this is you questioning here. Why? So, it looks like this is you. You do not understand why all of these things are happening in your life. Instead of mga kasagutan na nakukuha mo, marami ka ritong mga tanong na hindi mo alam kung bakit, pero ang gusto mo lang ay matapos na ito. Kung ano man yan, I can see here a lot of pain. I can see here someone here crying kahit wala na silang mailuha dito. I can see someone here waiting. Kailan ba ako maghihilom at gagaling? Kailan ba matatapos? Kailan ba katapusan ng lahat na paghihirap na ito? It's all about the emotions. It's all about the pain. It's all about the hardships of life. This is you bearing it, and you're telling me it's too much. Yeah. So I can see you here. Ayoko na, napapagod akong lumaban dito sa buhay. Parang kahit gustuhin ko, ganun at ganun lang din yung nangyayari. I always end up getting into a failed relationship. I always end up getting involved into false connections here. Doesn't have to be romantically lang, no? Pwede mga tao rito, no, na pinipili ka pa rin dito, dugasin, yung hearing that, no, dugasin. So whatever the case may be, I'm picking up that you're tired. Kakapagod. You almost give up. It's like this is you. All you need to do every day is parang iniisip mo na parang wala lang akong ginawa every day kundi huminga at maramdaman yung pain. Babe, look at this. Despite all of these things, why are you still here? Diba? Kasi kahit ang hirap, lumalaban ka. Kasi kahit nadadapa ka, nabibigo, at susugatan, at hindi mo na alam yung gagawin mo, hindi mo na alam mga susunod mo ring sasabihin, nagpapatuloy ka. This is you, oo, marami kang matanong, no, bakit? Ano nangyayari? Bakit ikaw? Diba? Sa bilyon-bilyon, no, trilyon-trilyon, at dinami-dami ritong hindi mabilang na tao sa mundo, bakit ikaw yung nakakaranas ng ganito? Diba? All of these questions here, the answers are already within you. These are all training. Miss yan, training pa rin kahit sobrang hirap, halos ikamatay ko na. Yes, babe. Why? Because if this is your reading, then you're preparing for this. The sun. It's being reborn here. I'm hearing a new life. Exactly. New life for you, collective. The universe is preparing you for this new life wherein there's that biggest sun, wherein sobrang happiness. Bakit kailangan kong dumaan sa mga ganitong pagsubok? Bakit kailangan kong umiyak? Bakit kailangan kong halos lumuhod, manikluhod, halos halikan ko yung lupa? Hindi ko narinig yung halik sa lupa. So, to the point na parang it's hard for you to bear whatever it is. It's too painful. It's too heavy for you. You almost kiss the ground for others of you. So whatever it is, I can see na hinahanda kayo para dito sa isang panibagong buhay. Napakalaki rito ng araw, no, na mas malalaki pa. Halos malaki pa nga siya, sa horse dito. And when you take a look at, when you go outside, no, when you go outside the universe, you'll see na napakalaki ng araw, no? The sun is really big. So, it's big, happy changes here coming your way. It's a new life. It's a reborn for you. The universe is doing that because pagka nakarating ka na dito, mas pinagtibay ka, mas matalino ka, mas alam mo na yung gagawin. Hindi ka na rito magtitiwala sa kung sino-sino rito, no? You have this big heart kasi eh. Okay? And I hate to say this, people take advantage or took advantage because of that. Because you're too mapagbigay. Because you're too soft. Mabilis ka kasing maawa, mga mahal eh. Nakikita ako rito eh. And the universe, hindi dapat ganyan. You need to stand firm. You need to stay grounded. Okay? Kailangan, mga babes, no, na ikaw, diba, ang maghari or maging reyna sa sarili mong buhay. Huwag mong bigyan, okay, no, ng karapatan ng ibang tao na maghari sa sarili mong life. Which is, I think, yun yung nangyari noon. Maybe you put someone here on top of that pedestal. Maybe that toxic ex of yours, you put that toxic ex of yours in your own trono in the past. And what happened? This person betrayed you. You were lied upon by this person here. You're cheated by that person. You've been lied, you've been cheated, you've been betrayed. This person from the past keeps on doing negative things behind you. Yung iba harap-harapan pa. But what did you did? I saw you come running after him or her. Hindi man inisip na ngayon lang naman eh, ibababa ko lang yung respeto ko sa sarili ko because I need to chase that person kasi kailangan ko siya sa buhay ko. With that word kailangan, yun ka noon. Kailangan mo siya eh. Diba? Ang tanong, kailangan ka ba niya? Or let's just rephrase, mahal ka ba niya? Universe wants to show you that if a person loves you, kahit niisipin na saktan, hindi nila yung kayang gawin. Because love must be genuine. It must be true. It must be 101% real. But what that person did showed you is this person treat you like you are an animal here. I don't like this person's face because this person gives me that kind of ngiwe. You know that? I hate that. Sa lahat ng mga ngiti, yung ngiwe yung pinaka-ayoko, no? Parang ang sarap sampalin. Diba? Sinikita ko dito. Naghahabol ka tuntua siya. Diba? In the past, no? Alam mo yun, to the point na parang you even did send this guy over here or this past person of yours or this girl over here, no, some kind of a send text message right here, no, to the point na parang hindi mo na alam yung sasabihin mo, no, hindi mo na alam kung ano yung compose mo rito, basta lahat na lang dito ng nararamdaman mo inilalabas mo, to the point na parang hindi ko kaya mawala ka sa buhay ko kasi kailangan kita, wag naman tayo maging ganito, yan, no, nakasandal ka na sa kanya. In this person here, WTF, okay, this type of person here loves that, kasi alam niya na sobrang attached ka sa kanya. This person here is confident, sobra. Naboost pa nga yung confidence niya just because you're clinging to him or her in the past. And that shouldn't be the case, because the universe wants you to stand your ground, because the universe wants you to be your own king and queen sa sarili mong buhay. Ni hindi nga deserve ng tao na yun yung love mo eh. 'Di ba? Pero ngayon gising na gising ka na. No? Gising na gising ka na with the sun in here. I can see that in the future you will be as happy as this child in here. See? I can see you here laughing. I can see you here smiling. I can see you here feeling satisfied, like you own the whole world right here, no? Hindi kita kailangan. Na-realize mo, hindi ko pala siya kailangan. Hindi ko pala kayo kailangan. Lahat ng iwan sa akin, hindi ko kayo kailangan. Akala ko lang pala kailangan ko kayo, pero hindi pala. That is you realizing your worth. That is you now seeing, okay, this new life, no, na lahat ng mga tanong mo sa sarili mo is just within yourself right here. Just need to look deep down yourself for you to be able to know the answers to all of your whys, to all of your buckets right here. So yeah, the full energy right here is this. You accepted, yeah, 4 of Cups in energy right here. You accepted right here that you cannot be able to change the past, that you cannot please these people right here, and that you cannot chase them kasi ayaw naman nila magpa-chase. They're all not worthy of your actions and your sincerity, my love. They aren't deserving of any of your efforts here. Ilaan mo yan sa ibang tao, sa pamilya mo, sa mga taong totoo sa'yo. And that's what you're gonna know. Okay? As you move forward here, you just need to walk away, my love, from this pain right here. You just need to do shadow work right here. Go out. Huwag kang magpa-stuck. You just need to change your mindset right here. I know it's easy for me to say that, but believe it or not, I've been there. I've been already at my worst. Pero naisip ko, kailangan ko ba talaga na magstay sa ganyang klase ng mindset, sa ganitong klase ng pain, nakagapos, naka-blindfolded, walang magawa, pero kaya ko naman alisin yung sarili ko dun, 'di ba? And that's why I'm here, standing in front of you, talking and sharing these stories because I've been there. I'm talking about experience. I've almost, okay, feel the same feeling that you're feeling right now or that you have felt in the past, whatever it is. And kung kinaya kong makaalis doon, kaya mo din. Okay? Just look for the future. Focus on the things that make you happy. Focus on those people that will really reciprocate your love, your attention. Okay? Don't be too needy of the toxicities, okay, surrounding you, guys. Ngayon, sobrang bihasa ka na kilalanin yung mga tao, diba? Okay? Kasi kailangan kapag ka makikiconnect ka or makikipagkaibigan ka, you have to, okay, get to know that person really well. And wag niyong i-ignore ang inyong intuition. If your intuition is telling you something negative right here, that it could possibly be a red flag, then don't ignore it. Try to find some kind of answer. Why are you feeling that? Parang may mali. Then try to look at it. And then you'll find out. Okay? That if that's your intuition talking to you, na parang may mali sa ugali ng isang tao, then it's true. Okay? You'll find it. Okay? You'll find it out. Okay? Sooner or later. Yeah. So I can see that even though you almost give up here, your life, you're moving towards the sun. New life is right here, and that's the reason why are you still here. Diba? May rason kung bakit andito ka pa. Kasi kailangan mo pang experience to, mahal. Kailangan pa experiencing tong happiness dito para to sa'yo. This is you feeling like a child right here. This is new life. Okay? So, this is the good life right here waiting for you. Okay? Tsaka, I can see no, that the only thing as well that you need to do is to accept the reality that these people right here are all trashes, are all baggages that you need to, okay, offload right here. Yeah, or you make tapon, diba? So, yeah, diba? Everything here has a reason. And the reason that you're here is because kailangan mo ma-experience city. Okay? So, new life for you, good life for you. So, wow! A very inspirational message we've got right here. Okay? And don't forget, you have your angels and spirit guides right next to you. So, thank you so much. Love and light. Sarang hiya. Annyeong.